Security Awareness Training Software as defined by G2, a platform that provides businesses with online courses to train and assess their employee security readiness. Businesses use these tools to outsource security training to specialized providers with experience and courses specific to a variety of security measures. Many of these tools deliver simulated attacks or fraudulent emails to help employees better identify malicious content before encountering it in real-life scenarios. Security awareness training must be able to provide educational security courses, offer online classes or a web-based educational content, and provide training and assessment tools. In this video, let us evaluate the different security awareness platforms and identify the best ones in the market. Reference for ranking are combinations of ratings from different technology review agencies and technology trends platforms. 2019 Gartner Magic Quadrant for Security Awareness Platforms, 2022 G2 Grid and Product Review, 2022 Capterra Product Customer Review, 2022 Google Trends of Most Searched Security Awareness Training Platform, and the Product Rating of Experts Academy. Now, here are the top 20 security awareness platforms, on rank 16th to 20th, Hook Security, Phishing Box, TheatCop, SANS, and Barracuda. At rank 11th to 15th, Ninjio, Cyberhoot, Inspired eLearning, Media Pro, and Global Learning System. On rank 10, Curricula, G2 Grid Rating, High Performers Quadrant, Overall Combined Scores, 47.06%. On rank 9, SoSafe, G2 Grid Rating, High Performers Quadrant, Overall Combined Scores, 47.84%. On rank 8, Cofense, Gartner Rating, Leader Quadrant, Overall Combined Scores, 48.46%. On rank 7, CyberReady, G2 Grid Rating, High Performers Quadrant, Overall Combined Scores, 48.47%. On rank 6, USECURE, G2 Grid Rating, High Performers Quadrant, Overall Combined Scores, 53%. On rank 5, Hawks Hunt, G2 Grid Rating, Leader Quadrant, Overall Combined Scores, 55.21%. On rank 4, METACOMPLIANCE, Gartner Rating, Niche Player Quadrant, G2 Grid Rating, Leader Quadrant, Overall Combined Scores, 66.32%. On rank 3, PROOFPOINT, Gartner Rating, Leader Quadrant, G2 Grid Rating, Leader Quadrant, Overall Combined Scores, 73.43%. On rank 2, KnowBe4, Gartner Rating, Leader Quadrant, G2 Grid Rating, Leader Quadrant, Overall Combined Scores, 82.05%. And on rank 1, INFOSEC IQ, Gartner Rating, Leader Quadrant, G2 Grid Rating, Leader Quadrant, Overall Combined Scores, 82.92%. For any expert's advice and inquiry on security awareness features and solutions, you may reach Experts Academy at info@expertsprimeacademy.com. Thank you. For more technology videos, please like and subscribe.